we will solve one question of vector product and dot product, right? Where it's given that the magnitude of the vector product of two vectors is root 3 times its scalar product. So let's say if this is one of the vector A and this is another vector B, right? And this is the resultant vector, right? And if this is making an angle of theta, that means the angle between these two vectors is theta, right? Then we need to find the angle theta. So the question is that what is the value of angle theta is what, right? It's given that the cross product, the cross product also known as vector product, it's A cross B. This is the vector product which we are writing. This is equal to magnitude of A multiplied by magnitude of B into sine of the angle between these two vectors, that is sine theta, right? And the dot product also known as the scalar product, right? Also known as the scalar product. And the value of this is written as A dot B, which is equal to magnitude of the vector A multiplied by magnitude of the vector B and the cos of the angle between these two vectors, that is cos theta, right? Now, as per question, it's given that the vector product, that means the cross product of these two vectors, is equal to root 3 times the dot product of these two vectors, right? Now we need to calculate the value. Since A cross B we know, just take from this, A cross B is magnitude of A, magnitude of B multiplied by magnitude of B into sine theta, and this will be equal to root 3 times dot product of A and B, which is magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. So just put up the value over here, magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. Here into the LHS, magnitude of A will be cancelled with A and B will be cancelled with B. So we are left with sine theta equal to root 3 times cos theta. Now, since sine theta equal to root 3 times cos theta, we can bring cos theta from RHS and then it will be become sine theta by cos theta, which will be equal to tan theta. And the value of this is root 3. And in trigonometry, we have studied that for when tan theta equal to root 3, that means the value of theta is equal to 60 degree, or we can say pi by 3 radian, right? So this is the value which is calculated. Since 60 degree is in degree, right, and pi by 3 is in radian, right? So these are the two units, but the angle is 60. So this value of theta is calculated as 60 degree, right? This is very simple question, and in this way we have solved it. If you find it useful, just like and subscribe, students. And in this live session, you can put up your query into the chat box. I will get back to you. Okay? Even we can discuss over it here. Okay? It's very clear that two vectors AB make an angle of theta, and the vector product is root 3 times the dot product. This is the relation given. We know the formula of cross product or vector product and the formula of dot product or scalar product, right? We have just equated it. On equating, we find sine theta equal to root 3 cos theta, which gives you tan theta as root 3. Finally, we calculated theta as 60 degree or pi by 3 radian. So in this way, we have solved this question, right? So just like and subscribe, students, if you find it useful. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.